Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, today we will understand the surface thickened command and cut with surface in surface feature. Let's start. File, new, okay. This is a SolidWorks user interface. This one plain white, and this unit system I am taking millimeter gram second. Okay. In surfaces, this is the SolidWorks user interface, command manager. This is the menu, feature tree manager, task pane, etc. This is the view head-up tool. So in surfaces, in the tab section, there is a tab of surface. If you don't have, right click tab and check it. Okay, it will appear in this section. Okay, this one. Now we will study the surface thickened cut and cut with surface. So I am selecting top plane, this one and this one. Okay, I am making a part here, simple part model, this one. Okay, I am selecting this one, shift, and this one I am equal. Okay, and this I am taking 100 mm. 110 110. Okay, this is, and future extrude boss base, this one I am taking height in 100 mm. Okay, this is the 100 mm, this one. Okay, now I am taking front plane, or I am taking this surface. This surface is sketch, normal. I am making a 3-point arc here, this one. Okay, this I am taking 50 mm radius. And this point, and select this point, and this I am taking 80 mm arc length. Okay, now select this point, shift, and this point, and making the horizontal. Okay, this one. Now select this point, shift, and this point, vertical. Okay, now smart dimension, I am taking this point, distance I am taking only the 10 mm. This one. This I am making a sketch is fully defined. This one. Radius is 50, 80 mm is the arc length, and this distance from this origin, this is the. Now you will see this one. If I go in the surface section, out, and go in the surface, I am extrude surface, select this sketch, I am extruding this one, I am selecting blind, reverse direction, up to next, blind, up to next, this one. This I am making, or through all, you can take it through all, this one, or you can take it towards both directions. This one, you take blind, you take it 120, and this direction you take 20 mm only, or 30 you can take it, this one, and this one. So I have made a sketch that is crossing this part. Okay, I am giving the part color, appearance, and this color. Okay, or remove appearance, you give only the base extrude, this one, appearance, and give this appearance. Okay, this is the, I have given it. I have made a part, and this is the surface extrude. Now if I go in the surface, you will see there are the two things, thickened cut and cut with surface. First I will use thickened cut. What is thickened cut? I am selecting this one. This window comes here, this one. This window is surface to thicken. I am selecting this surface, this one. There are three options. This one, this will cut in the up direction. This will cut in both direction. This will cut down direction. I am taking first this one, and okay. This is the cut, thickened cut. Okay. Suppose you measure, evaluate, measure this point, and this point. This is 10 mm. Okay. Now again, if I take this option, middle one, and 10 mm, you will see what will happen. Okay. Now evaluate, measure, you will see this and this point, this one. This is 20 mm, 10 mm up and 10 mm down, this way. Clear? Okay. And third option I see this one. This is down section, 10 mm. Okay. This is, if I measure, evaluate, measure this one and this one. This is 10 mm down direction, this distance 10 mm. Okay. In this way we can cut this one. Thicken, sir. Cut, thicken. Okay. Suppose I am deleting this one. Okay. This feature I am deleting. Okay. Now in surface I use this cut with surface. Cut with surface. Okay. So cut with surface, I am selecting this surface. This surface. This surface. I am selecting this surface. Sorry, this is not cut with surface. This one. Cut with surface. Surface cut parameter. In this way, I am selecting this. Suppose right plane. I am cutting with the right plane. This one. So this plane, now you will see there is arrow. This plane will cut up portion. If I click this one, cut with surface, and suppose I change the direction from here. Now it will cut this and undo it. This one and cut with surface. This one, I select this surface now. This surface. You see the arrow is downward direction. Then geometric, but actually this should be cross this arc. Arc is small arc is less. We can, if operation failed due to geometric conditions. Okay. Suppose I make another sketch. Surface, this is surface. Okay. Normal. And I make this one. Again this arc. And this one. This. Okay. I am not making, suppose this and this. This arc length is suppose 130. Okay. And radius is suppose 100. Okay. But this and shift this. vertical. Okay, suppose I take the dimension from here to here, this one 10 mm. Okay, this one, suppose and extruding it, surface is extrude surface, again this one 100 mm, this direction and two direction, I am taking 100 mm and crossing this one. Okay, this I have taken another surface. If in the surface you cut with surface and surface extrude tool, so if I okay it will cut up portion. You will see this one. Select all bodies. Direction failed. Some resulting bodies cannot be identified from the same. And selected body. Suppose I have body 1 selected. This one. This cut here. I am selecting this. In this way you can cut this also. And edit it. Suppose this. Undo it. This one. If again cut it. This one. This surface. This surface. This one. Cut with this surface and undo it. This one, cut with surface, select this plane, this surface. In this way you can cut this portion. This is up portion cutting. Suppose I this one and this one. This way you can, it is cutting up portion. In this way you can cut the body. You can use the plane and the surface. You can cut with both the things. You can select it. And this, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you.